Hello friends, my name is Jinal Patel and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Make It 3D. Today we are going to print something interesting character from our favorite cartoon Pokemon. Yes, today we will print one of the Pokemon Charmander. So let's see how to get its 3D model, how to slice it, how to generate its G-code and how to print it. Be connected with us and give 3 dimensions to your imaginations. To print any model, STL file of that 3D model is required. So I download its STL file from Thingiverse. Thingiverse is the community where 3D designer uploads their 3D model, and if someone wants to print it, they can easily download it from here. If you also want to print it, then the link is given in the description. So now let's see the process of slicing. To make G-code, I am using Cura software. I have set layer height of 0.2 mm and infill density 20%. We can change this setting according to our requirement. In this 3D model, no support structure is required, so I have not put any supports. Now we will slice it, and here you can see that 1 hour and 5 minutes are required to print this model, and to print this model 7 gram of our filament will be used and its length will be 2.51 meter, and yes, its diameter is 1.75 mm. In this software you can also see each and every layer of our 3D printing, so we can monitor our 3D printing from here also. Now we will transfer this G-code to memory card and then we will start our 3D printing. So friends, you can watch here that our 3D printing has been started. I have Ender 3 Pro, and to print our Charmander I am using red color filament and it is PLA material. We can monitor our 3D printing on this display. You can see here that nozzle is heated to 200 degrees Celsius and our bed is heated to 50 degrees Celsius. And 43% of total printing has been completed, and for 43% of printing it took 28 minutes. Here we can also see our X, Y and Z coordinate. See, it is getting printed layer by layer. And the main thing before printing is leveling of bed. If our bed is not leveled well, then failure can be occurred. I will show you that how to level our bed in next video. You can see our Chaemander has been printed and it's printed really very well. We printed this with 0.2 mm layer height. If we print it with 0.1 mm layer height, then its accuracy will be very good. But this accuracy is also good. In upcoming videos, we will print another models of Pokemon.